In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start lecture number 24, unit number 7, topic linear equations. Linear equations. A linear equation in one unknown variable x is an equation of the form ax plus b equals to 0. That is known as linear equation. That is in one variable equation. So x having power 1, so that is known as linear equation. Now first of all we will do question number 1, solve the following equations. Now check that first part is in fraction form. So first of all you can apply here two methods. First of all you have to remove fraction. It will be easy for you to solve this question. Second method is you will directly take LCM, then you can shift variable at one place and without variable shift other place. It's your own choice. You can apply both methods. For example, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 6. You have to take the LCM. 3, 2, 6. Its LCM is 6. So you have to multiply by 6 on both sides. So after cutting, you have to get equation minus 5x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1 by 5. I will just guide you this procedure. Now you have to check this. You have to check that the value which you have to find for x, is it true or not. So you have to put x equals to minus 5, 1 by 5 in original equation. So after putting minus 1 by 5 and after simplification, you have to get result. Left hand side equals to right hand side. It means after putting this value of x, you have to get the result. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So you can write the answer statement. Since x equals to 1 by 5 makes the original statement true, therefore the solution is correct. Hence the solution set equals to minus 1 by 5. If you will put the value of x and left hand side not equals to right hand side, then you can say that it is not the solution of x. It will be empty set. Now let's see 10th part. So 2 by 3x plus 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 2x plus 4. Now first of all you have to simplify. You have to take 3 as a common. Its method, the method here mentioned is that you can take LCM. You will take LCM of 6 and 2x plus 4. So you have to solve, and after simplification you have to get x equals to minus 2. Now its second method is you have to take 3 as a common, then you have to take its LCM. Its LCM is 6 into 2. Here you can take 2 here as a common, x plus 2. Now you have to take its LCM, 2x, 3 to the 6. So you can take x plus 2 and 6 will be LCM. So you have to multiply by whole equation. Now you have to put x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 5. So when you will put x equals to minus 2, so its answer is infinite. 2 by 0 undefined, 1 by 0, okay, 2 by 0 you can write here 0 equals to 1 by 6. So left hand side not equals to right hand side. It means x equals to minus 2 is not a solution. So you have to put x equals to 5. This is the solution because left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let's see question number 2. Solve each equation and check for extraneous solution if any. So first part, let's see 3x plus 4 under root equals to 2. This is radical equation because it is having radical sign. Radical sign means under root. So such type of equations you can solve by taking square. Taking square on both sides. First of all you have to remove under root sign. So how you can remove? By taking square on both sides. So you have to get x equals to 0. Now verification you have to do here, you have to check. So you have to put x equals to 0 in original equation. Now check that left hand side equals to right hand side. It means x equals to 0. This is the solution set. Now exercise 7.2. Let's see its 8th part. This is the sign of absolute value mod. When you will remove mod, then you have to put plus and minus sign by definition. That is the property. So you can put on left hand side, you can put on right hand side, but it will be easy for you if you will put on left hand side, plus and minus. So after simplification you have to get two value of x equals to 1 and 17 by 5. So both values you have to put turn by turn. So minus 6 mod, minus 6 minus sign will absorb this mod. So 6 equals to 6. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Here both sides are same, so its solution set is 1 and 17 by 5. Now let's see fourth part of exercise 7.3. I will just guide you important concept for this. 3 greater than and equals to 7 minus x by 2 greater than and equals to 1. 2 is dividing here, shift on other side, then it become multiply. You have to shift 2 on both sides, left and right. So 7 minus x, 7 is going to plus here, so you have to shift on other side, on both sides it becomes minus. Minus 1 less greater than and equals to minus x greater than and equals to minus. Now check that the coefficient of x here is negative. When the coefficient of variable is negative, then sign will be changed. These are the sign: less than change into greater than, and greater than change into less than, like this. And if the power of the coefficient of variable is positive, then sign will not be changed. Less than remains less than, greater than remains greater than. At the end you have to write the solution: x such that, that is the symbol of such that. So you have to write this equation. This will be the solution set. Now you have to do the third part of review exercise. The formula relating degrees Fahrenheit to degrees. Write the formula of this. F condition is mentioned here, f less than 0. So put the value of f. This is the value of f. So after getting solution, you have to get the value of C less than 160 divided by 9. Now review exercise 7. These are the MCQs. Which of the following is the solution of the inequality 3 minus? You have to solve this and you have to get its answer minus 2. Now inequality x equals to dash is the solution of the inequality. So okay, you can write between values x greater than minus 2 and x less than 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Minus 1, 0 and 1. So its center value is 0 between these values. Now x is no larger, means less than and equals to 10. C at most means greater than, at least means at most means greater than and equals to, at least means less than and equals to. So wrong बोल दिया मुझे. Okay, make correction here. At most means less than and equals to, and at least means greater than and equals to. That is the correct statement. X equals to 0. So you have to put the value of x 0. 0 greater than 0. क्या ये बात ठीक है? No. 3x plus 5 less than 0. No. So x plus 2, you have to put 0 plus 2. 2 less than 0. Is it right? No. X minus 2, put here 0. Minus 2 less than 0. Yes. So D is the statement. So you have to do the practice of unit number 7. सो अल्लाह हाफिज़ टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. आपने प्रैक्टिस भी इसकी करनी है और अच्छे अच्छे काम करने हैं. अपने वक्त का इस्तेमाल बहुत अच्छी तरह से करना है. ये छुट्टियां हैं तो आपने इसको ये नहीं समझना कि हमारे पास बहुत सारा टाइम है, पेपर कब होंगे. आपने अपनी प्रेपरेशन फुल रखनी है. ठीक है, आप अपने आप को जो है ना वो तैयार रखें अच्छे मार्क्स के लिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.